Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a 3D pyramid in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert 3D pyramid in this document. Go to a blank page. Then go to the tools section and select the shapes drop down menu and select the triangle shape. Then draw the shape, press shift on our keyboard. Then click the move tool. Then again go back the shapes tool section, select the pen tool and make a 3D shape using the pen tool. Select the move tool and move another. Otherwise you can place this face. Then again go back the shapes option and select the pen tool. Then draw another. Then select the move tool, again select the pen tool. Then select the move tool. Then click the triangle shape and delete this. Then select the multiple shapes, press shift on our keyboard and applying the color. Otherwise you can add color one by one. Select the shape and add the color. Then select the shape and click the layer effect option and make 3D. Then increase the radius 10 and go to the another shape, select and make this same. Write 10 and then press enter. Then again select the 3D option and radius 10. Then press enter. Then click close the window. Then select this multiple shape, press shift on our keyboard and click right button on our mouse and make it group. Now we can see we make 3D pyramid very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.